Hello everyone. Now this is another Seagate hard drive from repair and data recovery case study. Now let's try to check the COM terminal and see. Okay, this drive is not knocked, and we can see the family ID is 80, and we can enter the software of Seagate from repair. Now we can see family V9 COM modules. And before we do any repair on this drive, and we need to back up the SOS files first. So we can see the model number is ST4000VM000. So 1B 2835. Sometimes we back up the 93. And also we can see other SOS files like, okay, so these four are enough. Sometimes we back up LOD. LOD is a noder. Okay, backup LOD. So we can try the ATA backup. Okay, the LOD has been read successfully. And we can try to back up one noder, 2OD. Okay, these SOS files are very important, so users can try to back up them. If the drive is very unstable and not possible to back up all of them, so users can try to back up the nginx first. Okay, this is nginx. After the firmware backup, we can try to fix the firmware issue. And sometimes there is media cache issue here, and the snow issue. We can try to use this one to fix the snow issue. Or we can enter COM terminal and enter F3T prompt and do the genist clearing and the translator regeneration by the M03 command. After this firmware backup and firmware repair, and we select the SATA 0 and click DFL DDP data recovery software. Users can set up one new project for disk image or file extraction. Okay, let's try. Sometimes we may need to use the COM port because COM port is the same COM port is opened within the Seagate. So we need to close this one first, and then we can open it on the DDP software. Okay, we can try to power off, power on the drive. Okay, now let's set up one new project. So here we can see if, okay, the drive is formatted low level formatted, so it's all 0. If there are partitions, users can extract as lost partitions or folders here directly. It's very easy. Just right click to recover selected files or scan lost partitions. So if the pension drive has a lot of bad sectors or very slow, we can try to use disk image, and we can select create one VHD to be used as the target drive. Click OK. And then we can start image. So it's very fast to image the pension drive to one VHD, and finally we can extract the lost data from the VHD, from this target VHD. So it's very easy. Thank you for watching the video.